Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started on today's video, I want to remind you we're doing the kitchen towel giveaway, the Buzz Cooks embroidered kitchen towel giveaway. All you have to do is like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll pick a winner every week and send it out to you. Very easy, hope you win. Anyways, today we're doing my favorite famous blueberry sausage Thanksgiving stuffing. It is amazing. Sausage, blueberries, stuffing, you can't go wrong. We're doing it next, so stick around. All right, let's get started on this amazing stuffing for the holidays. First, we're going to cut up one loaf of bread, either sourdough or white, whatever you prefer, into little squares. Then we're going to place those squares onto a cookie sheet, and we're going to let those air dry for 24 hours overnight. Just like that. And that'll get them nice and dried out for tomorrow. Okay, so we're going to get our large stainless steel or non-stick frying pan out. And we've got 2 pounds of Jimmy Dean breakfast sausage. I went with the hot, but you can use the mild, it doesn't matter. It's up to you and your flavors. We got the heat on medium-low. And we're just going to fry this pork sausage up. And while I'm doing that, if I can remind you to please like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment. Give yourself a shot at winning that amazing, super cool kitchen towel that we're sending out. We're giving away 1 towel per video all the way through the month of December. So you got a few shots at winning it. So we just about to have our pork sausage broken up and cooked thoroughly through. Next, we're going to get out a large spoon that is slotted, and we're going to transfer this pork sausage to a separate bowl, leaving the grease behind, just like that. And we want to save that grease because we're going to cook our celery and onions in it next. So we still have the heat on medium high, and we're going to add half a diced onion and 2 sticks of celery that we've cut up, and we'll cook those in that pork fat until translucent, about 3 or 4 minutes. Then we're going to add some garlic, actually 3 cloves that we've diced up earlier. And as soon as that garlic becomes fragrant, which is usually about 30 seconds or so, we're going to add 2 cups of chicken stock. Now we're going to bring this to a nice rolling boil. Let that cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then we're going to remove from the heat and let it cool down. And while that's cooling down, we're going to get out a large mixing bowl and put our bread that we had out from yesterday right into that mixing bowl. And everything else is cooled down. So now it's time to make our stuffing. So once we get the bread in there, we're going to add the sausage. Then I've got 2 eggs that I whisked up earlier. We'll add the eggs. There we go. And our mixture from our frying pan, we're going to add that next. And then a 1.5 cups of fresh blueberries. And we'll get in there and mix this over and over, fold it over and over until it's well mixed up. And then we're going to transport this to our baking dishes. I'm using 2 serving boats. You can use any 8x8 pan or whatever you have available. So once we get all this mixed up, we're going to transport it to the little boats there. Make sure you spray good with Pam so nothing sticks. And pack it down. There we go. Got my oven heated at 350 degrees. So we're going to cover this with aluminum foil. Pop into the oven for 45 minutes at 350. And then after 45 minutes, we'll pull it out, take the foil off, and we'll put it back in for another 15 minutes to get it nice and brown on top. And you have yourself amazing blueberry sausage stuffing. Everybody's going to love this stuffing. It'll probably become your new go-to stuffing for the holidays. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you win the towel, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you, and happy holidays.